Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So today we're looking at a K5H. Now I don't have a whole lot of K5Hs on the channel. With the K5H, you do have a high mount manifold, which is what the H stands for. But unlike the K5HL, this horn has a different bell set. It has a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So not a 3A or a 4A, straight 4, straight 3. This is the highest pitch, I guess, highest toned K5 that's offered. Really nice sounding tone. This one is a non-raised letter horn. It's a 139K horn, so it's kind of an earlier one. And also the number 5 has actually been machined, so it's very sharp. It plays the correct note. A lot of times the 5s are more flat and it makes them not sound as good. Well, this one is sharp, so sounds really good. So anyway, other than that, it's really just it's a K5, but a really nice sounding one. This one has been polished, not really polished, but it's been went over with like a steel wool. So pretty good looking horn. But anyway, I guess that's about it, guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is a early non-raised letter Nathan K5H.